Today we've got a highly sought after and rarely offered court location in the heart of historic Allandale, just steps to Greenfield Park.
Complete with a gorgeous backyard oasis and an in-ground pool. Now that's what I call a triple threat. All that and more on today's episode.
So Unc, we find ourselves back in historic Allandale today, one of our favorite locations. Lord knows you've grown up here, or not grown up, lived here for the last 2 decades, so you certainly love the location, and it's easy to see why. The only thing larger than the lot sizes in Allandale are the mature trees. It's such a fantastic location. Speaking of which, we're walking up the middle of the road right now. No cars, no concerns about traffic because we're located on a quiet private court on Hambley, which so rarely comes available. Tell us a little bit more about what you love about this area.
Now that's right, Scotty. And as you know, we've raised our family and lived on this court for almost 20 years and we absolutely love it. Now what's so interesting to me is the number of people that are born and raised in the Allandale community who come back to the Allandale community to do the same thing. Now the turnover on this court is exceptionally rare. If you're a realtor and you're trying to base your book of business on this court, you'd be broke by now. Now, over and above that, guys, really truly here, the neighbors are incredible, as are the oversized lots and the gorgeous mature trees. Now, not to mention the walkability to both a Sikanak Public School and Innisdale Secondary School is absolutely fabulous.
All right, Unc, enough about the area. Let's get inside and take a look at this incredible property. Now before we head inside, we have to stop and appreciate the curb appeal of this home. The lot is 65 feet wide, so it's got such a grand feel. And I have to tell you, I haven't seen grass, gardening, and landscaping this well looked after in years. But now, come inside, let's check out the rest of the house.
Now typically houses of this vintage are more closed concept and design. Now that's not the case here. Check out this beautifully renovated kitchen cabinetry. We've got 5 stainless steel appliances including a gas range. Now my favorite feature is the oversized island with granite countertop, undermount sink and beverage center.
At just shy of 2,000 square feet on the main and upper, this home's got all the features that we know you're looking for, including the main floor powder room, main floor laundry, and a separate side entrance. My personal favorite though is the sunken living room area right next to the gas fireplace, the ideal spot to sit back and relax with family and friends after you're done entertaining in that kitchen. Speaking of entertaining, the other aspect of this home that I love is how every window along the back of the home overlooks your show-stopping backyard. More to come on that later in the video, so stay tuned.
I absolutely love this solid wood staircase. Now on this upper level here, we've got 4 spacious bedrooms, 2 renovated baths, a beautiful window package with California shutters. It's the perfect space for your growing family.
Now did I say we had a show-stopping backyard for you or what? Now the gardens and the beautifully manicured grounds carry all the way through to the backyard here. We also pick up a tremendous amount of stonework that's been incredibly well cared for. And as you can see, my favorite part, the in-ground pool complete with diving board. This is gonna be your summer backyard headquarters.
Well, that's right, Scott. I do love the way these folks have utilized their entertaining spaces in this rear yard. My personal favorite is this back private patio area here, perfect for a morning coffee or a late evening glass of wine. Now, as far as neighborhood appeal is here, let's not just take my word for it here. Let's step into a kid you may know, a younger generation who's going to give you his take.
Growing up in this neighborhood is something I'm an absolute expert on. Now follow me and I'll show you some of my favorite parts about growing up in this hood. I love Greenfield Park. It's a perfect spot to walk to furry friends, play a game of baseball, a game of tennis, or take your kids to the park. And one of my favorites, the Allandale Rec Center. A ton of hockey history here, as well as an Olympic-sized pool and a fantastic fitness facility. Now my most recent favorite experiences are here at Park Place, and they include hanging out at the rec room, going to work out at LA, or enjoying a great meal at the Keg.
Well, that's right, Coop. You did nail a lot of your favorite spots, but as you know, there is so much more here. We are so close to our downtown restaurants, pubs, and shops. We are so close to our beautiful waterfront and the Allandale GO Station. And some of my favorite restaurants, we've got Barnstorber's, Urban Dish, and that awesome Mexican restaurant.
We are the Knowles Woolsey team, and we really know Allandale. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.